Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah has stepped forward to ensure full medical assistance for Manashree Chaudhary, a 2-year-old toddler diagnosed with a rare and life-threatening genetic disorder, which is spinal muscular atrophy. The compassionate intervention comes after the parents met with the Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah at his official residence during the Mukhyamantri Samipeshu public grievance cell on June 24. A resident of the Hapania area in West Tripura, toddler Manashree Chaudhary is battling spinal muscular atrophy. A critical component of Manashree's recovery relies on an internationally imported gene therapy vaccine valued at nearly 18 crore rupees. With local social groups and citizen forums currently raising emergency funds on the ground, the direct monitoring by Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah has brought renewed hope for the child's survival and treatment pathway.
আমার যে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী সমাবেশ হয়েছিল সেখানেও এসে আমার সাথে দেখা করেছে। আমরা দেখছি এটাকে কিভাবে সলভ করা যায়, কিভাবে তাকে সাহায্য করা যায়।
স্যার আরেকটা যে বর্ডার লাইনে বর্ডার পুলিশ স্টেশন
কালকে আমি এই বিষয়ে বলেছি।
Reported by Narayan from Agatla, Chinikhorang.